Hello guys, hope you're well. So this is a very common thing. You buy a meme coin and it falls. It hasn't fallen a lot, but I'm going to share with you a three-part strategy that you need to be doing when you're buying and selling meme coins and how to make money from them, basically. So what a lot of people do is they see a meme coin and they've got, let's say they got $100. They'll just buy $100 here and they'll lose their money once it goes down. Now you're at, $98. So you need to go in with a specific strategy. This is not a good entry on this coin. However, I'm going to do three things. One is I'm going to DCA in. So for now, I might just want to buy another $6 or something like that. Yeah. So I'm just doing this to illustrate the point. So I'll buy this and then my entry will come down here. So I'm DCAing in. Every time it goes lower, I should get a better entry. So my overall should go down eventually and I'll have some realized profits once I start selling. So in theory, that's one part of the strategy. That's very simple to do. You never want to do one big hit. Trust me, you'll save yourself so much pain if you just DCA in. If you got $100, your buy should be $10 or $20 each time. And the worst case scenario, it starts to move up. Yeah, and then you're just in profit. Now the dangerous thing is this only works on coins that are not shit. Like the ones that are like, just launch pump fund 12k market cap. You don't want to be DCAing in them. But this is four, this is okay, this is doing well. Now, three parts to this strategy. I've got some four in my wallet not earning me anything. And if I am down, what I want to do is I want to take it and I want to LP farm it. So let's say, for example, this falls all the way down. It's about 9 million market cap now. Let's say, for example, it falls all the way down to 5 mil, and I'm just sitting on my bags. What you need to do is work out how much you're down. So I'm down, I don't know, $50 off my $100 investment. I DCA'd all the way down, and now I want to go to PancakeSwap, and I want to literally find the four contract. Let's put in four, and you want to LP farm it when it's down. So that's your strategy for losing it. Now, before that, obviously, I've got videos on LP, PancakeSwap doesn't load. Before that, if you're DCAing in and you're buying, you want to hedge with a short. So we've got $100 and we're going to buy $50 on a DCA, and we're going to go to Asta or something or Mexi, wherever it's listed. So again, this only works for coins that are actually decent. You want to come in and you want to open a short position. Very low leverage. This is not to make money. This is just to protect you. So say, for example, we opened our short position and we're going to do it with us maybe 10 to 20% of our $100. So $20 on a short. Again, you can DCA on the short. Really high, um, liquidity level. So we want it to be like, it's 9 mil now. We want it to be like 30, 40 mil. So even if we get liquidated, we'll be in so much profit, it doesn't matter. So do that. Again, if it goes down, you LP farm. So whatever the situation is, you're covered. You can actually say, okay, cool. I'm in a position where if it goes down, my short will give me some profit or some way to actually, not lose. And if it goes up, you're in a position where it's like you've profited on it. And if it goes sideways, you're making money LP farming. This is, I think it's called like a delta neutral strategy. The exact maths I can't tell you, but we can probably work out with using AI, which is probably a good thing to do. But look, it's going sideways. If I had this in an LP position, full range or large range, I'll be doing well. So, and if I had my short position open, I wouldn't be doing anything. Like, it would just be sitting there, but I'll be accumulating fees as it goes along. Again, you saw me put in $3 or $4, not worth it. But if you're doing it with like a substantial amount, you need to be doing some sort of strategy like this. So, guys, I wish you all the best and take care.